In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Zangi app network problem. So if you're facing the network problem in the Zangi app, there are few things that you can do in order to fix it. First of all, what you can do is simply try checking your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. You can also try switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, your problem might be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you have to do is simply turn on the airplane mode. For that, what you can do is simply tap on this option airplane mode that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, wait for a while. After a while, tap on the option airplane mode again. Now it will be turned off. Now after you do that, wait for your device to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now try using the Zangi and your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, there might be some problem with the Zangi itself. So in that case, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the Zangi. Launch open app library of your device, find the application for Zangi and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info. After you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface of Zangi. Tap on this option storage and cache that you can see on the screen. Now tap on the option clear cache. Now once the cache has been cleared, your problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. Tap on the option uninstall. Now tap on the option OK and it will be uninstalled. After you do that, download the latest version of the Zangi application from Play Store or App Store. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. But sometimes there might be some network problem with your device itself. So in that case, try restarting your device. Long press on the power button, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After that, the network problem will be fixed. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix Zangi network problems. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.